The Paradise Tanager, Tangara chilensis, is a brilliantly multicolored, medium-sized songbird whose length varies between 13.5 and 15 centimeters. It has a light green head, sky blue underparts and black upper body plumage. Depending on subspecies, the behind is yellow and red or all red. The beak is black and the legs are gray. It is native to the Amazon rainforest. Found in humid tropical and subtropical forests in the western and northern Amazon basin in South America, the species can be found in Venezuela, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Bolivia, and Brazil. Despite its scientific name, it is not found in Chile. This species is considered fairly common in its natural habitats, the canopy and edges of humid forests, mostly below 1,450 meters in altitude. Photos and video taken in Colombia, Peru, and